In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to make a button on the stylus that toggles quickly between draw and erase. And really, this can be used for any type of situation where you want to go back and forth between a couple tools that you use often, but you don't want to open the radio menu. All right, so we are going to open the radio menu in order to go to the main panel and take a look at this. So we have Clip Studio Paint. This is open. I have input mode selected, and I've chosen advanced. Advanced will be where the word configure is. And now here, action to perform, we're going to reset this. We're going to click on the word none, and we're going to put our first hotkey in, which in this case, E for erase, and B for brush, and we're going to click apply. Okay, now our barrel button, when we're here inside of Clip Studio, is going to be sending B, then E, and back and forth. And you can see the difference, the actual increase the brush size here, you can see easily how this is going back and forth. You can do this with up to 6 different hotkeys or click combinations, whatever it is that you need to do. I hope that helped. If you have other questions, check out the Discord channel or watch some more of the tutorials. Until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.